YouTube, Wake Bro back. It's been a while. I'm really excited about this. So I'm sitting in a 2021 Ram TRX. It's my dream truck. I'm so excited for this. And this one is built to the teeth. It's got absolutely everything. Let me go through a few things. I'm gonna do a walk around with it. I'm gonna explain some of the cool features with it. This is by far my favorite truck, and I'm so excited that we finally got one here at the lot. Too bad it's here and then gone, so that kind of sucks, but I'm just super stoked. I'm excited. I'm gonna do, I need one. I want one now. I need to make more money, but I want one. This TRX is literally the absolute sickest thing in the entire universe. These are so freaking sweet. Listen to it. So, 702 horsepower. I think from what I've seen, it's like 583, 584 to the wheels on a half-ton truck. Bro, this is so incredible. I absolutely want one of these. I need one. It's gonna be a while, but this is goals. 2021 Ram TRX. Hopefully not a rallied one. I would get in some serious trouble with this thing for sure. This truck needs to get, this Escape needs to get out of the way. Move! Get out the way! Can we appreciate the whine of the 6.2 supercharged motor? Hopefully there's no cops. Oh my gosh. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Ah, I love it. I need it. Listen, it just purrs. This is all stock too. There's nothing done to it. Imagine when it actually, if it had an exhaust, if it had something cooler than stock. It's quiet. It's very quiet now. And what we got to do here is, oh, there it is, found it. We got to take a look. Take a look-see under the root ski. 6.2 supercharged. Really can't see anything on it, unfortunately. Wait, is this lift up? Huh? I don't know. I don't know if I should lift that up. No, I'm not gonna lift it up. I'm not touching it. Yeah, you can't see anything on it. But this thing is legit. I didn't know you couldn't lift it up. I thought there was supposed to be a raptor eating somebody. Or a thing eating a raptor. I'm not even mess with it. That's not my truck. That's spooky. I don't like that. Where did I see that? It has to be under that. I'm just not gonna mess with it. I believe the previous owner showed it to me. Heated AC seats in the back, which is actually insane. I've got heated seats in mine, but AC seats? Jeez. And it's even got, look, it's got whatever that is, the crazy USB, and it's got regular USB. You plug in a laptop back here? Oh my God, you're living in luxury back here. This back seat is huge too. I'm 6'5", and look at this, 6'5". I got lots of room, and I was sitting in front too, and I probably could have put the seat up a little bit more. That's insane. It's about $95,000 for this. We'll turn this down a little bit. About $95,000 MSRP, brand new. This thing's absolutely insane. It's only got 2,100 miles. Let's get closer to that. 2,100 miles, that's it. He's got the carbon fiber edition, so that's you have to get the tier 2 or level 2, stage 2 features pack, and then you have to get another one. You pay an additional for all the carbon fibers. You got carbon fiber, you got the added stitching, the red stitching. Typically it's not like that. You got Alcantara in the middle. This is just sick. That's so dope to me. I don't know why. You got your launch mode. I have not launched it. I will not launch it. It is not my vehicle, but I really want to. Maybe one time. Standard steering wheel, except for the fact that it's Alcantara on the top. That's so dope. I love Alcantara. I love the feel of it. I love this two-tone stitching. I believe that's another feature that you put on there as well. Obviously traction control off. You got to make sure traction control's off. Heated AC seats, heated steering wheel, like I showed you, heated seats in the back and AC seats in the back. Absolutely insane. You got your 2 compartments here. Ooh, some change. 2 compartments, lots of room. There's the Maroni I showed you before. I think it's called a Maroni. So you have your just standard shift, which I actually really like this one. My Jeep SRT has the annoying little knobby, but whatever, I got used to it. I just put it in reverse a couple times instead of park. It's got the Harman Kardon upgraded speakers, and so that means I believe it's 15. There's 15 speakers throughout this. You want to talk about insane sound? Oh my god. And when we hop out here, so he got the Ram Bar 2. I don't know how I feel about that. Ram Bar's not bad. It's kind of cool. Listen to that. Something about the wide body on it too. He's got the original Ram running boards here. You can get the rock rails, I believe, or you can get absolutely nothing. I don't know how I feel about the rails, no rails. I'd want to see it without. I'd want to see it with the rock rails, just in case it's something that I'd want to do. Obviously, I'm not even sure when I'm going to be able to buy one of these, but I do know that I want one. Holy hell, those are big buttons. All right, so yeah, you can open, close the back. Oops, I guess I hit open to open. Big old panoramic sunroof up here, massive, absolutely, oops, insane. I want to do this. All right, there we go. So I opened it up instead of that. Obviously, you got the little automatic thing. You can't go wrong with that. The massive panoramic moonroof, sunroof, whatever you want to call it. I think it's got, yes, dude, this stuff is so sick. This video, it's literally a camera that's behind. I know it's probably something like, oh, everyone has one of these nowadays. I still think it's dope. I don't know how to change the settings. I was trying to mess with it. I don't know how to do it. It's no big deal. Look at that. You can literally, it's like a 4K movie behind you. Cars just driving back there. Look, we got Mitsubishis. We got all these used vehicles because I'm at my car lot. But yeah, no, these things are absolutely insane. This is literally the most excited I think I've ever been for a vehicle that we've taken on our lot. Aside from like a Lamborghini, we haven't ever taken one, but I'd probably be just as excited for that too. But this thing is loaded to the teeth. I mean, look at this. I didn't even say it. It's got the towing package. It's got the carbon. It's got the stitching. It's got the Alcantara, heated AC seats, adaptive cruise control, and this thing is 702 horsepower? There's a reason that the T-Rex is eating a Raptor. Just saying. Thank you guys for watching my Ram TRX 2021 video. I am so excited for this thing. This is the, oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that. Okay, for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, like, subscribe. If you want to see more, comment down below. Oh, it's Birdie Bird. It's Birdie Bird. Thank you guys so much for watching my video on a Ram 2021 TRX. Oh my God, and it's this guy. What? That's going to conclude the 2021 Ram TRX little review I did. It's not super reviewy. I don't really know what I'm doing. It's the very first video, but it's going to get better. Absolutely. But I've been wanting to drive one of these for so long, and I am so excited. These things are so freaking sick. I have to have one sooner or later. If you guys enjoyed what you saw and you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing. And as always, guys, make sure you keep it sent.